Hello and welcome back to another class with Miss Anna. I hope you had a great day, and I believe that we're going to learn so much from this particular lesson. Please pay attention, alright? Now, we are going to be learning about some phonemic sounds. They are just two. We're going to be learning about just two in this particular lesson, and we have them as A and A. Now, I did not say letter A. You know why? Because you can have your letters staying all alone from your letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, and so on. When you have these letters come into a slant line, but come in between two slant lines like this, you know what? They're no more letters, they are now sounds. I'll take that again. When your letters come in between two slant lines, as you can see on the screen, they are no more letters, they are now sounds. That is why I'm not saying A, I now said A. Okay, so don't be scared because we can do it. Alright, so we want to learn how to describe this sound. Okay, it is worthy of note that there is an alternate way of writing this particular sound. While some persons write it like just an A in between two slant lines, some others write it as AE. Okay, but the good thing is that you sound them as A. But I'm gonna leave it for you this way. Okay, now to pronounce this A sound, your lips are not rounded. Your lips are unrounded. They are not like O, okay? Your lips are not like O. And your tongue is not staying in between your teeth like, no. Your tongue is laying so low. And then we'll make the sound Ah. Ah. I did not say okay? Now, there is something I want you to note, and that leads us into the practical session, okay? Now, I need you to take your index finger. Your index finger is your first finger. Put it over your throat, like you see me do, okay? Now, we're gonna make this sound that we have just learned. Ah. 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 Did you feel anything? Yeah, I did feel something. I felt a vibration. Let's take it again. Ah. Ah. I felt a vibration. That shows that that particular sound is voiced. Now, a quick one. When you make sounds and there is no feeling of vibration here, it is voiceless. But when you feel something here, you feel a vibration here, it is called a voiced sound. A quick one as well. All vowel sounds are voiced. Every correct vowel sound that you produce will give you a vibration here. That simply implies that all vowel sounds are voiced. Alright, moving on. Let's see some examples of the short A sound, the one I just pronounced as A, okay? We have ham. The A sound is short in a word like ham. Now, all these examples you can see on your screen that I'm going to read out have the short A sound. Ham, match, tap, mat, hat, lack, chat, pack, shack, latch, hack. You will see why I said short R sound, okay? When you have something short, that means it has a long counterpart, right? So, this is the counterpart. We have the short R and we have the long A. Now, the production of this particular sound is similar to that of A, but you're going to elongate the production of the sound. There is something so obvious between these sounds. The one we're going to be talking about now has two dots, one above and one below. Now, that is the sign of length when it has to do with production of sounds. When you see any sound that has two dots, you should know that you're going to pronounce it longer than its pair. Now, this particular one will be pronounced as ah. Okay, the same way your tongue lay low in the production of ah is the same way your tongue will lay low in the production of ah. Okay, just that this particular one will be produced with more length. Okay. Now some examples are chart, market, shark, fart, barge, park, large, start, party, father. Now, I could as well have chat, like you're talking with someone, you're conversing with someone, C-H-A-T. While I pronounce that as chat, I pronounce C-H-A-R-T as chart. So chat, chart, chat, chart. Do you understand? Like if I want to talk about someone who is big, I can say fat. But when maybe someone releases gas into the air, body gas into the air, I can say fart. So we have fat, fart. So that is that about the sounds.